Viewers, I'm an engineer Azam. Today I will discuss how servo motors works. So servo motors are the electromechanical devices. Means servo motors have both electrical and mechanical devices. If I will talk about electrical, means we are sending the signal for the operation. To open the wicket gates, we are sending the signal. Mechanical means it has mechanical structure to open the arm for a specific angle. Servo motors are used to control the position of objects, usually response to an electrical signals. Servo motors have the limited range of 180 degrees, so you should keep in mind that its range is 180 degrees. The control signal determines the position, not the speed. So you should also know that the control signal determines the position, not the speed. The feedback loop ensures the precise positioning and handling power. Thank you so much, viewers. I am hopeful that you have understood this.